Dear parents, teachers, students and well-wishers, I am happy to announce to you the results of the online competitions that were held in the last session. Here is the result of dance competition. Dance was judged under the criteria of costume, presentation and number of online votes received. I thank all the parents who encouraged and the teachers who motivated the students to take part in this online competition. However, it is not possible for everyone to be first. What is important is that one should take part in competitions like this and grow in self-confidence. And the third prize goes to
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं.
And the second prize goes to goes to Here is the result of the speech competition. Speech competition was judged under the criteria of content, pronunciation, presentation, and number of online votes received. And the third prize goes to
the technology have many effects on the youth. The youth of today has become a tech savvy and is unable to imagine a single day without being surrounded by gadgets and technology. The most important of all being the smartphone. There are both positive and negative sides of technology. Some of the positive sides of the technology are there is better connectivity. Just now, while you are seeing me, you are connected through technology. There is an important platform.
And the second prize goes to
Technology is best when it brings people together. Technology has become a part and parcel of everyone's life. It has made our lives easier. We can shop online, pay bills online, and secure our knowledge for future generations. But the uncontrolled use of technology has let technology become a curse for the society. The youth that should be very active has become lazy, and it's just the impact of technology. Since each and everything is very easily available within a 5-inch screen, we do not want to do any physical work. Our works are done easily sitting at home without walking even a single step. Such type of life.
and the first prize goes to
Wake up. The first thing we do is to see the notification of our phone. When we go to sleep, what we do at last? We see the notification of our phone. We are surrounded by technology and gadgets 24/7, from day till night. With these lines, I, Aradhya Pandey of class 10B, is feeling glad to represent my views on the topic Impact of Technology on Youth. Technology. What does it mean? Technology is something that can reduce the pressure of work on humans and make the things work efficiently. But technology also have some advantages and disadvantages. So let us discuss them. Let us start with the advantages first. The first advantage can be better learning techniques. In this time of COVID-19, we all have seen that technology is so important to us.
is the result of the drawing or painting competition. Drawing competition was judged under the criteria of creativity, presentation, concept, and number of online votes. And the third prize goes to
Good morning everyone. Today Airav Singh of class 10th is here to present my drawing on the topic Education after COVID-19. It is based on the thoughts of a child before and after the coming of COVID-19 virus. I hope you all like it. Thank you.
and the second prize goes to
Education after COVID-19. So this is my poster. In this you can see that this teacher is trying to teach the students online, but the students are not paying attention and most of them have turned off their camera and some of them are just simply sitting. So the teacher is saying them to turn on the camera, pay attention, but the students are not obeying her. So the teacher is feeling really very bad about that she is continuously saying something.
and the first prize goes to
As I'm representing you my portrait, it's based on the given topic education after COVID-19. So in the first scene, we are able to notice that the first thing which came after COVID-19 is the introduction of online classes, new apps, and teaching technologies has also been changed. Teachers are told that how they have to teach students on online classes, as well as after lockdown we are going to find out that there is social distancing in school, availability of sanitizer and mask in the school for the protection of children. So these are all the changes, and the schoolboy going to school with mask. These all are the protection and safety which we have got in our society after COVID-19 in education.
is a result of the solo singing competition. The solo singing competition was judged under the criteria of song selection, melody, presentation, rhythm, and number of online votes received. And the third prize goes to
मेरी राहें तेरे तक हैं, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है, इश्क मेरा तुझ पे शक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है। साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, तेरे नाल तकदीरा लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा। सौ तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगा, कितने वादे यान उम्रा निभाऊंगा, तेरे हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा।
And the second prize goes to
मेरा शौक है, किसी को मेरा है नशा, जवानी कहते हैं मुझे, है मेरे आशिक हर जगह, किसी को मेरी हसरतें, किसी की मैं हूँ दिलरुबा, मुझे पाने के वास्ते मांगे दुआ सारा जमाना, हसीनों का दीवाना, ज़माना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना, सारा ज़माना हसीनों का दीवाना, ज़माना कहे फिर क्यों।
and the first prize goes to
तेरे लिए हम हैं जिए, होठों को सिए, तेरे लिए हम हैं जिए, हर आंसू पिए, दिल में मगर जलते रहे, चाहत के दिए तेरे लिए, तेरे लिए हम हैं जिए, हर आंसू पिए, तेरे लिए हम हैं जिए, होठों को सिए, दिल में
Thanks to one and all, and God bless you.